The Dunedin Art Center is a bustling building that offers hundreds of classes and programs ranging from painting to more unique art forms like loom work and weaving.
In today's Florida on a Tankful, our Caitlin Wilson takes us inside the impressive space. She introduces us to one of the instructors, and she's teaching a new generation backstrap weaving.
This is just the first steps, yeah.
The fine and delicate strands of this string might not look like much yet, but with each knot and twist, it's being crafted into a piece of art. A piece of art that class instructor Concepcion has been making since she was a young girl, growing up in Guatemala, where she learned the art of backstrap weaving from her mother and sister.
When I was 8, they said, "You're ready to weave, so we're going to set your loom." They set me a loom, and we start with this.
Growing up and learning this time-honored skill and art form, something she brought to the U.S. when she moved here in 2007. She eventually went on to offer classes right here at the Dunedin Art Center. Concepcion offering detailed classes where she gets into the history of backstrap weaving. This specific weaving technique is one of the oldest forms of weaving. Many have found evidence that can trace it back to the Iron Age. Now it's still practiced today in places like the highlands of Guatemala and in countries around the world, including Peru, China, Japan, and Mexico. It's Concepcion's hope that in offering these classes, she'll be able to inspire a new generation and keep the art of backstrap weaving alive.
It means a lot to me that, that I share this, because I want people to know and find out that there is people or indigenous people still live and they still have the traditional type of weaving that it's been passed down through generation for many years.
In Dunedin, Caitlin Wilson, Florida on a Tankful.